Did you know the average American loses 25 IQ points under stress due to poor nutrition? Meanwhile, Navy SEALs and CIA operatives thrive on a $10 a day eating strategy that boosts memory, focus, and decision making under extreme pressure. What if you could unlock the same edge for your next exam or creative project?
Join Weekly Hacks now.
Let me break this video down into 3 actionable paths based on your specific goals. If you're a student, listen up. The 3-day exam prep protocol. The Pentagon discovered that MREs, or meals ready to eat, aren't just survival rations. They're precisely engineered cognitive fuel. Each delivers a careful balance of proteins, carbs, and fats calibrated for peak mental performance during high-stress situations. Here is your implementation plan. Tonight, prep 3 containers with palm-sized protein like chicken, tofu, eggs, fit-sized complex carbs like brown rice and sweet potatoes, and thumb-sized healthy fats like avocado and nuts. And if you don't have time, grab rotisserie chicken, microwavable price packets, and pre-cut avocado. Tomorrow morning, eat your first balanced meal 2 to 3 hours before your heaviest mental load. Military research shows cognitive performance peaks in this window. When brain fog hits, don't reach for sugar. Studies show a big calorie deficit hurts your brain. Instead, have your next prepared meal ready. Students who implemented this simple protocol showed 22% improvement in test scores compared to their caffeinated, meal-skipping counterparts. Now for the professionals, the decision makers' nutrition stack. For those making high-stakes decisions daily, the research points to cyclical ketosis. This means alternating between 5 to 6 days of a high-fat, low-carb diet with 1 to 2 days of moderate carb intake. If it's too complicated for your busy schedule, start here. This weekend, replace one meal with a keto-friendly option like eggs, avocado, and nuts. Just one meal. That's it. And in the next week, schedule your most complex analytical tasks 2 to 3 hours after your most balanced meal. If you're feeling overwhelmed, use the Navy meal prep technique. 5 containers, 20 minutes, and 1 shopping trip for the entire week. Pentagon research revealed that ketosis extended underwater endurance for Navy divers while enhancing focus during complex operations. Your spreadsheets and strategic decisions might not be underwater missions, but your brain operates under similar cognitive load. And here is the meal prep for creatives, the flow state fuel system. Military studies identified that creative problem solving requires a different nutritional approach than pure analytical thinking. For sustained creative output before a creative session, consume a meal with a 2-to-1 ratio of proteins to carbs. This prevents the energy crashes that kill creative flow. During extended creative work, implement the SEAL snacking protocol. Small nutrient-dense foods every 90 minutes to maintain steady brain function without disrupting flow. In case you didn't prepare, keep 3 emergency brain fuel options in your desk. Mixed nuts, hard-boiled eggs, and single-serve nut butter packets. The critical insight most nutrition experts miss is timing. Elite military units aren't eaten right before mission-critical operations. They're timing their nutrition precisely for peak cognitive function when it matters most. Don't make the common mistake of understanding when you need your brain to perform. Military studies show that a 20% calorie deficit, which most dieters exceed, led to a 15% decrease in working memory function. Your brain consumes 20% of your body's energy despite being only 2% of your body weight. Feed it well. Start small. Start today. Start imperfectly. The Pentagon didn't develop these protocols for superhuman soldiers. They developed them for normal people operating under abnormal pressure, for sleep-deprived recruits, for distracted analysts, for real human with real limitations. That's you. Try just one of these suggestions tomorrow. Not all of them, just one. Your brain is a high-performance machine waiting for the right fuel. Give it what it needs. The mission in your life, whether it's academic success, career advancement, or creative breakthrough, depends on it.